Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here again, and you're not going to believe what I've got with me here today. It's giant Australian tree ferns. You may have heard of them before, they have been very fashionable. Dicksonia Antarctica. So these form massive trunks, huge exotic looking leaves of a tropical kind of look, jungle, Jurassic Park kind of style look. And they're really something quite special because they do date back to the dinosaurs. They get these huge leaves, 2 metre long leaves coming out the top of here like a shuttlecock. Then they open up into a big sort of umbrella canopy, and they're really something special. You can put them in a courtyard, in pots, put them in garden beds and borders as a focal point perhaps, maybe try some different sizes, a small, a medium, a large, from one height down to the other heights. We've got all the heights available, and these are just something really special. And of course, being Gardening Express, I've got great value for you again. So get into the website now, and I've bought in bulk so I can give you those savings. They're all here, ready and waiting for you. Massive, big, girthy, chunky logs as well. Not these skinny little ones that are like my arm. They're fatter than my 2 legs put together, some of them. So get in there now and get a giant tree fern for your garden. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.